Okay, let's try this question. Number 3. The blue graph is a reflection of the red graph in the y-axis. The y-axis. The equation of the red graph is given. Write the equation of the blue graph. Okay. The equation of the blue graph, no. The graph of the blue graph is a graph that has been reflected in the y-axis. So that's a horizontal reflection. I was making horizontal reflection. That means that anywhere in the function y equals the square root of x plus 2, wherever we see an x, we're going to make her negative. Oh, I should have done that in blue. I'm going to do it in blue. I'm going to do it in blue because that's the graph that we're trying to match. Boom. Okay, so what would this end up being? Blue. Blue. It would end up being y equals the root of negative x plus 2. Let me check that answer. We don't usually leave answers like that, though. We want to factor out. That's right, I said factor. Factoring is super important. We want to factor out that negative. And if you get into the habit of doing that, you should be good. I'm just looking for answers. 3B. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay. The answer they gave at the end was this. Y equals the square root of, and then they just put them the other way. They said 2 minus x. I said negative x plus 2. Truthfully, if you see this one, you're going to know what you're doing a lot better. So I'd accept that. Moving on, let's try C. C. Blue is the reflected of the red, and it is again reflected in the y-axis, which is a horizontal reflection, which has to happen to the x values. So wherever we see a y, nope, wherever we see an x, we're going to throw a little negative on it right there. Yep, minus 2. Now, the negative stops because it just hits the x, and then the square root sign stops. I always end my root signs. Like, this goes to there, and I stop it. So you know that anything that comes after is not related to it. So that's what I have as my answer. Let's check the back of the book. What am I doing? Oh, we are so good, kids. I love it. Good for us. And